Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 16. We are working on my dailies for August, and I have these super cute dashboards and prop coins from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. I'm also starting something this month to see how I like it. I see so many amazing ladies in the community doing a daily roll, and I thought I would try to incorporate that somehow. So I have $10 today. So that means I have my $6 for my dailies. So I have $4 that I can put into this category. I'm rolling, I got the 4, all right. So no extra money for me today. So let's put our $4 in here. I'm gonna color in my circle just to show that I did it. I have 31 circles on this. And this little category of the month thing, I just created to try it out with this. That's why there's kind of a theme with what I'm working on. So that is done. We don't need any extra prop coins. So we go to the bank. We put our $6 in here. We grab our $6 worth of prop coins. Go to the paper clip, which is at number 2. We don't quite need our pens yet. We are done with the D4. All right. Let's see what we can do with $6 in prop coins and a D3. All right, 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. 1, 2, 3 for number 3. Wow, 3 for number 4. Oh my goodness, 3 for 5. 3 for 6. 2 for 1. Sorry 1. You got shafted a little bit. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, and 3. We're not going to get around like we have been. 1 for 3. 1, 2, 3 for 4. All right, we will start at number 5 tomorrow. Let's go to our number 1. So number 1, we got 50 cents, and this one is from Danny at Craft Co Budgets. And it's just save a little extra. I'm a part of her mob, so we can do 25 and 50. Okay. And we don't have to worry about any 50 cents today pieces. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. $1.50 going into this one from Kimmy's Corner. That's coming along really well. It is on the back of my dashboard, like some of the yellow, but that's okay. We'll do a little shake to see if we can dry it a little bit better. All right, so that's good. Number 3, we have 25, 50, 75, $1. This one is from Jeanette's Journey. So we have $1 and there's 2 50-cent spots down here, so I'm going to snag those. That way I don't forget about those down the road. All right, and then number 4 has 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. Sorry, it sounded like a computer fan just kicked on, but okay, I'm gonna have to look into that when this is done. All right, so we have $1.50 going into number 4. Oh, I love that this one's hanging out because it's super cute. So this one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, and 25, 50. So 75 more cents, and this cutie one will be gone. Okay, it stopped. That was weird. Okay, so number 5 got 25, 50, 75. And this one is from Cynthia Budgets. So we can do 3 more little spots. So 25, 50, 75. Okay, so then we have 25, 50, 75 also for number 6. And this one is from, I believe, Judy at Save with Judy. Uh-oh, brain freeze. Little cutie cat with some ice cream, so we can do 3 more ice creams. All right. Perfect. So we can put this back. We did not finish any today, which is a-okay. We've had some nice finishes lately, so all is good there. But we are doing well. We have a couple that I think we're kind of close, so maybe tomorrow we will do... Oop, I didn't put my popcorns away. So maybe tomorrow we'll get one. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Day 16 in the books, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.